David & Associates is a multifaceted practice that emphasizes a total team approach. The team consists of aesthetically oriented dentists and specialists, and it's time for you to get to know them.
I'm really fortunate that, my job is my avocation.
Dr. Joel David started his practice in 1987. He is passionate about dentistry, his team, and the patients they help.
The last 10 years has been unbelievable with implants, porcelain crowns, veneers, bonding systems. So it's very exciting to be able to offer patients, what we can offer them now that we couldn't offer 10 years ago. And by having all the specialists in the practice and the cosmetic dentists in the practice, we just have a lot of patients that come in and they say, God, we've never seen a practice like this before.
One of the things that I do mostly is cosmetic reconstruction, or dealing with improvements to the way people's smiles look.
This is Dr. Brack Phillips.
Nowadays it's not so difficult for us in a modern practice with the proper training and a good team to tackle these issues. We can definitely accomplish almost anything that our patients need. In a private practice, in another setting, you might have to refer out to another practice to have some surgical procedures done or periodontal procedures. But as us all together, it's all under one roof, and I can communicate with my specialists because they're my friends and we work together and to get these cases done for our patients.
As the team periodontist, it is my responsibility to evaluate the health of the foundation of the supporting tissues. None of these makeovers could be possible without having a healthy foundation.
In addition to being the team periodontist, Dr. Andrew Forrest is also the team implant surgeon.
My job is to stop pain, heal disease, and create new smiles. It doesn't get much better than that. It's nice to be able to have 7 specialists from different disciplines to work together towards a common goal, number one being the patient and of course the smile. What one specialist might not see, another might. So our lunch hours are consumed with x-rays, models, and cases. It's part of what we do.
Taking on difficult cases and changing lives is also part of what they do.
What I do here is basically focus on the replacement of missing teeth.
Dr. Juan Alberto is the team prosthodontist at David & Associates. But what is a prosthodontist?
I always get asked that question, what is a prosthodontist? It's one of these specialties that nobody knows what it is. Prosthodontists, we go to school an extra 3 years, get trained in a hospital setting to deal with the most complex situations that somebody could have in their mouth. Not only complex, but aesthetics, implants, and extensive trainings on the materials, on the latest materials that we could use. So basically, I do what a lot of other dentists don't want to do.
Dr. Alberto is among the 4 certified specialists and 3 general dentists on staff at the Jacksonville offices of David & Associates.
And it's the result of teamwork and collaboration by a group that works in one facility that achieves the best results for their patients.
This team approach enables shorter treatment times while affording maximum consultation time between specialists and dentists to ensure the best possible treatment for clients.
David & Associates is also pleased to offer their patients specialists in the fields of orthodontics and pediatric dentistry.
We've actually got a whole separate wing of the practice with a pediatric specialist. She loves working on patients. She's very gentle. We have special days just for kids. We have all the toys out. We have TVs and DVDs. So we're really trying to make this a relaxing environment so we have the right situation for your child.
Well, a pediatric dentist is specially trained to go ahead and handle children. We spend 2 years after dental school actually getting training in a certified program in order to be able to treat children. And it's not just being able to handle the dental work that you have for children, but also children with developmental problems, with difficult medical problems, children, autistic children, any kind of special needs. We are actually trained to handle them.
Dr. Carrie Maris is the orthodontic specialist at David & Associates. What Dr. Maris likes most is seeing how changing a smile can change a life for children and adults.
As an orthodontist, the best part is seeing someone come in who is self-conscious about their teeth, doesn't really want to smile, and you look at them and you know that you can change that. You put the braces on, or the Invisalign, or the interceptor treatment, and they come back and the problem is corrected and the smile it's as wide as you could possibly imagine. If you or your child has a concern like that, say they're shy or don't really want to smile, come have a consultation, see what can be done, see what things could be changed, because it could make the difference in their personality and how they present themselves to the world.
Thank you for calling David & Associates. This is Sandra. May I help you? Sure, I can help you with that.
Everybody at David & Associates is there to help you. Whether it's the receptionist taking your call, or the dentist, or the specialists, they love what they do. And Dr. Joel David is at the head of the line.
I love doing implant dentistry. And what's really nice about implant dentistry is to have somebody that hasn't chewed well literally for decades.
And I'm able to eat a sandwich now. Before I couldn't eat a sandwich, I had to pull it apart and eat it.
And in a period of maybe 2 months to change their lives, because they can go from basically having to cut the corn off on a corn of cob to where they can go and eat a steak, and they're coming back and telling you how excited they are. You can't get any more rewarding feel than that.
I love seeing a child come in who's been in pain, who can't eat, who's just not wanting to smile, and being able to change that for them and provide them with a wonderful, healthy smile. And their whole attitude changes. And they love to come in, they love to see us, and that makes me feel wonderful.
Well, it's wonderful to be able to work in an office where there's a pediatric dentist as well as other specialties, because it's easy to consult with that doctor right there, right at that time.
It is pure job satisfaction. It helps me get out of bed in the morning, and it makes my days going home a lot easier.
It's an absolute pleasure to work with Dr. David and the whole staff. I wouldn't want to work anywhere else, to be honest with you.
And with this team approach, if it takes periodontal surgery, implants, porcelain crowns, whatever it takes, we offer in this practice. And it might take us 3 or 4 months or 5 months to get a patient back in a healthy state. But with the size of the practice now and the quality of the people we have in the practice, we can, whatever it takes, get you back to a healthy smile.
What do you do when you're happy? You smile. If you can't smile and have that confidence to smile, are you really going to be happy? We all want to be happy, and we can help people just do that extra little thing that you might not be thinking about, but everybody wants to smile and look happy when they're doing it. And getting someone that confidence to do it, it makes me feel great. And our patients love it. It's a nice thing to do every day.
Well, as we have just seen, the total team approach to a smile makeover can really change your life. Cosmetic dentistry isn't just for movie stars anymore. With the advances and new techniques, you can get a smile makeover from David & Associates with minimum changes to your natural teeth.